Please subscribe to our channel and don't let us comment and like the video.
A Japanese research team, led by Takaumi Sakai of Tokyo Metropolitan University, was able to delete a series of painful memories from their genetic composition and the degree of similarity between them and humans. The findings, published March 14 in the Journal of Neuroscience, said that this team has come up with that response by keeping fruit flies in the dark for 2 consecutive days. To create a painful memory in the brains of fruit flies, the research team exposes an unmarried male to a previously married female, in which case the female usually exerts extreme pressure on the male and refuses to mate with him, leaving him in constant terror to avoid any females after this incident. According to the study, this means that the new information on dealing with females has entered the long-term memory of male fruit fly. After that, the researchers kept a group of males who experienced that trauma for 2 consecutive days in the dark. And then they were exposed again to the females, and the males accepted the females again, which meant that the memory had been erased from their brains. In contrast, the group of males not placed in the dark was clearly less popular with females, which meant that painful memories were still stuck in their brains. According to the study, this indicates the effective role that light can play in long-term memory. And researchers from Tokyo Metropolitan University believe this is associated with a protein agent called the tincture dispersal factor, but more screening is required to detect that relationship. We already know that day-to-night exchange affects the physiology of our bodies, from cortisol level and blood pressure to cognitive functions, and we also know that long-term memories are stabilized and preserved in the brain by building proteins, and neural tangles between cells specifically contribute to keeping the memory, but the mechanism for this process is still unknown. Researchers at the University of Tokyo Metropolitan hope that this new revelation will contribute to the development of our knowledge of the mechanism, which in the future may help develop treatments or techniques that reduce the impact of painful memories that cause many mental illnesses, such as PTSD.